happy chilly day from Animal Kingdom. Woo! We're gonna see what we can get into today. It's like 50 degrees, which is lovely, and the sun has finally come out. It's cloudy all day today, but it's time to enjoy some fun, and I haven't been to Animal Kingdom in quite some time, so we're just gonna see what we can see today and test out my camera and see if I can fix it, because it doesn't like to focus at nighttime.
It's awesome. With Viva Gaia. Now somebody, anybody, or everybody scream!
Are you even here though if you don't come see the dinosaurs or ride dinosaur? It is a 30-minute wait. I was hoping it was going to be empty today because, you know, there's no Mount Everest. What's the point? But it seems like it's busy and I have to wait 30 minutes to ride dinosaur. That ride is never not hilarious, especially when you ride it with people who've never been on it. The woman who was sitting next to me said, "Oh, there's seatbelts. That must mean this is a good ride." And I laughed to myself like, you do not know what is coming, my friend. You are not ready for this. I thought for a second maybe they switched the lights because it seemed like maybe it was lighter, but then it was pitch black again. Glad I didn't film anything. I can't see a blessed thing. As with my trips to Animal Kingdom would never be complete if I didn't get Mr. Kamal's fries. They're so good. I also got a Corona because they didn't have any other beer. And now I'm just hanging out by the water. Missing Everest. The bird show's not happening. Everest is closed. Nemo's not happening yet. That water ride's not open. Even A Bug's Life has a 25-minute wait. What? I hope it starts getting to be too cold for people and they go home. So then I can ride rides. Also, it may be cold enough that I can finally have flame tree barbecue, because I always want to try it, but it's always just too hot outside to eat like hot barbecue. That's me as cozy cold food. So hopefully today is the day that I can finally have some barbecue. But I'm gonna eat my fries. We will reconvene and see what happens. Getting serenaded with some sick reggaeton. Sitar beats? I think that's what he said it was. But it's Mickey and Minnie Mouse. I love you.
Adventurers and explorers, look! It's Mickey and his pals, celebrating 50 years of Disney magic on the Discovery River.
Answer the call! Yes. Oh my god. It's only 20 minutes. Don't be reckless with your alcohol. It's really chilly. It's a good day though. We're having a good time. We're having a good time.
My name is Julianne. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Y'all ready to have some fun?
Yes.
All right. Y'all aren't tired, are you?
No!
But no
What can we
guarantee that
see?
we will see every of the bongo.
was a relatively uneventful ride on the safari. But I mean, I guess the animals don't like to come out when it's cold. That makes sense. It was really pretty though. It's like watching the sunset over the safari. But now we're headed to my favorite place, Pandora. And then maybe after that, it'll be time to eat. I love this decoration.
Riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar.
James Cameron, Joe Rody, and I don't know who the other person is. Dance Prince. I'm just a glowing beam of light. Like, I just want to go. I want to go to there. I want to go there. And I want to see it for real. And I want to ride on a banshee. Just take it all in. I love it so freaking much. Well, that is it for our trip. I was going to eat, but it's 7:30 and the park closes at 8. So if I stop to eat, it's just going to be a ruckus when I try to leave. So, thanks for coming with me on my fun day at Animal Kingdom. I can't wait till everything opens back up again because it's kind of sad not getting to go on Everest. Enjoy. Do the subscribe, like, all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time.